Smart boards have transformed the way we connect, communicate, and collaborate, driving productivity and success in both workspaces and educational settings. By fostering teamwork and streamlining workflows, these innovative tools unlock holistic growth and new possibilities. But what if there's something even more groundbreaking on the horizon? Imagine effortless integration, seamless connectivity, and faster collaboration. The future is here. Meet Pixel-Edge, the smart board reimagined for the way we work and learn today. Let me show you what makes Pixel-Edge so powerful. This is a true 4K Ultra HD Smart Interactive Smartboard, available in 3 sizes: 65-inch, 75-inch, and massive 86-inch displays. The 65-inch model comes with 350 nits of brightness, while the 75-inch and 86-inch kicks it up to an even brighter 400 nits. Every detail pops, even in well-lit rooms. Built-in camera and mic enables for crystal clear video conferencing without external hardware. Android OS with integrated controller allows instant access to apps and effortless navigation. Designed for modern classrooms and meeting rooms, this interactive touch smartboard works perfectly as a standalone digital whiteboard and presentation tool. Write and draw freely on the whiteboard. View and annotate PDFs using PDF Viewer. Open Office files directly with the aid of Office Viewer, all without any additional connections. It's everything you need for interactive teaching and collaborative meetings in one intuitive system. Step into the future of seamless teamwork with the power of 3 C's: connect, communicate, collaborate. The 3 C's redefine how people work together. Connect instantly, whether your team sits across the table or across continents. Communicate powerfully with clarity that keeps everyone engaged and aligned. Collaborate naturally, where shared ideas grow bigger than individual contributions. This is how breakthroughs happen. Pixel-Edge delivers seamless connectivity, effortlessly bridging devices, platforms, and people for instant, interruption-free collaboration. The secret? Our advanced IR touch technology with zero bonding feature eliminates the air gap between LCD and protective glass. You get perfect precision, whether using your fingers or the stylus. Every stroke feels natural. With 40-point multi-touch and zero-gap bonding, every tap, swipe, and stroke is remarkably precise. No lag, no distortion. Forget cable clutter. Pixel-Edge streamlines connectivity to a single USB-C port that handles everything: audio, video, touch, camera, and microphone, including power to the attached power device. The all-in-one connection keeps meetings and lessons flowing without interruption. And when flexibility is key, HDMI and USB ports stand ready for any scenario. For wireless freedom, K-Share lets you cast, control, and collaborate from any device: smartphones, tablets, laptops, with no complicated setup. For even greater flexibility, Pixel-Edge supports Miracast. It's like HDMI over Wi-Fi, allowing you to mirror your device screen directly to the smartboard without cables or adapters. In classrooms, this means students and teachers can share screens in real time for better participation. In offices, it enables fast wireless presentations on the go. Pixel-Edge also supports screen mirroring for education. What's displayed on the smartboard can be mirrored onto a teacher's or student's laptop in real time. This makes studying more accessible, allows for easier note-taking, and ensures no one misses out on classroom content. And for secure access, just tap your NFC card to instantly authenticate and connect applications. No waiting. NFC cards allow companies to assign access to both the device and specific applications. Up to 5 users can be issued unique cards, each programmed for their task, enabling secure, role-based access with a single tap. From precise touch to seamless connections, Pixel Edge is designed to work the way you do. Great communication starts with clarity. Sketch freely, annotate live documents, or mark up photos and videos, all using intuitive tools that feel like second nature at your fingertips. Inbuilt, easy-to-use pen software provides an intuitive menu with smartly arranged icons for split screen, spotlight, and more. Pixel Edge allows direct on-screen annotation on photos, videos, and documents, enabling instant sharing for efficient communication. And when collaboration sparks, Pixel Edge keeps up. 4 people can write simultaneously with 40-point multi-touch, while our Precision Stylus delivers that perfect pen-on-paper feel, from spontaneous brainstorming to polished presentations. Pixel Edge ensures your team stays perfectly in sync. And Pixel Edge doesn't just connect people, it brings teams together. Imagine walking into a meeting room or classroom and instantly launching crystal clear 8MP video calls with studio quality audio with 15 watts plus 15 watt speakers, all built into the board. No setup, no extra gear. Just face-to-face collaboration that keeps executives aligned and students engaged. Right from the same intuitive interface where you annotate, present, and brainstorm. As ideas flow during your session, Pixel Edge ensures nothing gets lost. Simply tap to save notes and share them digitally before the meeting ends or class dismisses. And with universal connectivity options including wireless casting, USB-C, and HDMI, every participant can contribute seamlessly from their preferred device, making collaboration truly inclusive for executives and students alike. This is collaboration perfected. Effortless, inclusive, and ready when you are. Meet S-Write, where natural writing meets digital brilliance. Our intuitive pen software makes every stroke feel fluid and precise, whether you are jotting notes or sketching ideas. This smartboard supports up to 6 split screens, allowing you to compare content simultaneously, turning any session into a powerhouse of productivity. Built-in math tools and annotation features make complex concepts simple to explain. The pen software includes built-in web browser access. The smartboard offers all the essential tools for teaching and presentations. Pens and markers, round pen, highlighter, writing brush, dual color pen, and erase pen for every step of your work. Smart Assist. Smart Writing Pen fixes handwriting. Smart Graphics Pen perfects shapes. 5 precision rulers, straight edge, protractor, etc. for geometry. Pre-built graphs access grids, for instant plotting. Smart forms to clean up sketches into exact shapes. Eraser and select, edit or move anything effortlessly. Pixel